Namaste, this is S.K. Watin Rahman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now, today we're discussing about the second part of biotinous formation. In second part of biotinous formation, we discuss about the hydrolysis, cyclization, decyclization, and synthesis of reaction like gluconide conjugation and others of methionine and the acylation and sulfur conjugation and glycine conjugation, glutathione conjugation. In this cleavage of the drug of molecular taken by the molecule water, ester plus water storage convert to the acid plus alcohol. Similarly, amines and polypeptide are the hydrolyzed by the amine and peptidase. In the other are the epoxide hydrolase, while the detoxified epoxide metabolism. The some drugs are generated by the CYP oxygenase. Hydrolysis occurs in the liver or intestine, plasma, other tissue. Example of hydrolysis drug are choline ester, procholine, lidocaine, procainamide, and aspirin, carbazepine, epoxide, pethidine, and oxytocin. Cyclination, this is the formation of ring structure from the higher chain ring is proguanil. And the decyclination, this is the up to ring or structure of opening the ring structure of the cyclic molecule like barbiturate, phenytoin, and generally the pathway. Synthetic reaction, they are involved of the drug or its phase 1 metabolism in the indigenous substance. Usually derived from the carbohydrate or amino acid to form a polar highly ionized organic acid, which is easily excreted in the urine or biles, and conjugation reaction having higher energy requirement. Gluconide conjugation, this is the most important synthetic reaction carried out by the group UDG glucosyl transferase. Common with hydroxide and carboxylic acid group easily conjugated with gluconic acid, which is derived from the glucose, example of chloramphenicol and aspirin, mifepristone, and diazepam. Lorazepam and lorazepam and the morphine and metabolize and metronidazole and other of drug of endogenous substance like barbiturate steroid and hormone and thiolin. It is the path in this pathway. Gluconization are the increase the molecular weight of the drug favorable for excrete in the bile. A drug gluconization is excreted in bile can be hydrolyzed by the bacteria or gut. Ethanol absorb undergo the same fat and in enterohepatic cycle of the drug are prolonged in action. Chloramphenicol are orally contraindicated. Acylation or compound having amine and hydrogen reactase are conjugation with help of acyl coenzyme, sulfonamide, isoenzyme, PAS, dipsine, and hydrogenide, and chloramphenicol, and the amine and the multiple gene control the N-acetyl transferase. Rate of the acylation show of genetical polymorphism. Methylation, the amine and the phenol are the metabolized by the methylation by the methyl transferase. Methylation and the cysteine acting as a methyl donator. Adrenaline, histamine, nicotinic acid, methyl dopa, cispirital, marcapurin, etc. drug are example of methylation. Sulfur conjugation, this is the phenolic compound that is steroid are sulfur and sulfuric acid and chloramphenicol, methyl dopa, adenylene, and 6 steroid. And glycerin conjugation is the salicylate nicotinic acid or another having carboxylic acid or group of conjugation in this glycerol. This is the not major pathway of metabolism. Glucuronic conjugation, this is the carried out by the glucuronic S transferase from the mercaptol is the normally pathway. It, however, is inactive, highly reactive are quinine and epoxide intermediate form of during the metabolism certain drug. Paracetamol, when the large amount of such intermediate are formed, the poisonous after the metabolism. Glucuronic supply is falling short and toxicity additive are the form of the tissue contamination and tissue damage. Ribonucleotide and nucleoside synthesis is the pathway important for the activation of the many purine and pyrimidine anti-metabolic and used for carry out the chemotherapy. Most of the drug metabolized by the many of the pathway of the stimulation by squeeze or rate of reaction and different pathway of the conferable. This is the variety of metabolites of the drug may be produced. Isomerase of the drug may be metabolized by different rate. Example, in S warfarin rapidly undergo ring of oxidation, while the R warfarin is slow degradation of side chain of the reaction. Only few of the drug are metabolized by the enzyme are immediate metabolized by the alcohol by the dehydrogenase, allopurin, allopurinol by the xanthine oxidase, succinylcholine and prolong by the plasma cholinase, and the adenine by the monoamino oxidase. Major drug of the acting on this related to the non-specific enzyme that is a directly type of metabolized rather than specific drug. The sum of enzyme can be metabolized many drug. Drug are metabolized enzyme of direct derivative of 2A. Microenzyme, this is the locate on the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is a system of microtube inside the cell. Primary in the liver are also kidney, intestine, mucus, and lungs. This is the microenzyme monooxygenase and cytochrome P50 UGT and epoxide hydroxylase. Microenzymes are the catalyze the most of the oxidase and reductase and hydrolysis of gluconide conjugation. Microenzyme enzymes are the incident by the drug, diet, and other analogs. Non-microenzyme. This is the presence of the cytoplasmic and the mitochondrial hepatic cell are as well as other tissue are included plasma. Ester, amide, and some of the flavonoid oxidase are the most of the conjugated on the non-microsomal reaction are cytosol are. Some of the oxidation and reductase, many of the hydroxylase reaction, all of the conjugation except gluconide. The normally non-microsomal enzyme are the not incident, but the many of the genetic polymorphism, acetyltransferase, pseudocholinesterase. Both of microenzyme and non-microenzyme enzyme are the deficiency of newborn, especially permanent make to more and the susceptible more drug. Chloramphenicol opioid and deficiency of many other first few months or more quickly case of oxidation and the other phase 1 reaction in their case of gluconide and the other conjugation of take place in 3 and more months. The amount of kind of drug metabolized of enzyme is controlled generally in the also of alternative environmental factor. The kind of marketing incident and the individual different of the scenes. Cat are the deficiency of UGT, are the dog are deficiency of NAT, N-acetyl transferase, a short form of NAT. Up to 6-fold of different in the rate of metabolism of drug among the normal human adult and they are observed. This is one of the major cases of individual variety of drug responsibility. Hoffman elimination. Hoffman elimination is the referred to indicate the drug or body fluid or spontaneous molecular rearrangement without arranging any enzyme. Thank you so much for hearing. Then in other video, we discuss in the inhibition of drug metabolism. It's the other video, another discussion. Thank you so much for hearing.